Ah.
Well,
What was all that?
what have we learned here?
How about you don't stab me?
That and
You don't stab.
that's
about it.
you know, it's the fridge.
I didn't need the fridge.
Then who has the fridge?
I don't know.
You're telling me the fridge just ate itself, huh?
It might have.
It's not impossible.
Why'd you bring it up?
Because I'm thirsty.
Me too.
You're not the only one that got stabbed.
I got stabbed worse. Ah!
Well, you're at the fridge.
Oh, I did it! That'd be huge!
I didn't want to say anything, but you already are.
Ah!
I don't know how to break it to you. I know you're gonna eat something big one day, but this went too far.
I hate you!
No, stop. It's okay. It's okay. There's weight loss places. There's Jenny Craig. There's Richard Simmons. There's Tybo. There's Christian Tybo. It's okay. No, don't. You need to embrace me. Embrace me.
Stay there! Stay there! Die!
Your problem's not gonna leave.
Stay there!
Let me out of here.
Alright.
Ouch.
It's okay, bud. So how'd that feel?
I don't know.
Alright.
I know it's the fridge. Well, let's go find him.
Fine.
All right.
Do this.